Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today I am back again with the 1980 Yamaha XS1100 Special project, and we're really coming down the home stretch. I had a minor setback, and I'll go into that in just a minute here. But as you can see, the new handlebars are on, the new brake master cylinder is on. I used the Yamaha part that's been rebuilt, refinished. Everything looks good there. The new Ingo shocks are on this bike. Those really improve the ride and the handling of the bike, and they definitely have the damping that the original shocks just didn't have anymore. One of the things that I noticed while test riding the bike was it made some significant noise over here on the left side of the motor, and I didn't know if that was valve tap. It sounded pretty knocky, honestly, in the beginning, and I was really concerned that I might have a stuck valve or some piston knock. And what I found was, on this particular bike, it has a vacuum timing advancer. It seems like there's no damping in that timing advancer mechanism anymore, and so it's just hammering up and down at certain RPMs. Once you get up to speed, everything smooths out, but anything below maximum vacuum on this bike and it starts to make noise, it starts to rattle. And when I took the timing cover off and started up the bike, I instantly saw where my loud kind of hammering noise was coming from. And so I'm very excited that it's not an internal to the engine, but those parts are hard to find. I was able to find one in England, so I have ordered that up, and we will go ahead and put that on when it comes in, and then I'll take the bike out and test drive it again and make sure everything is good. I was having a little bit of issue with a coil pickup. That may be a result of the hammering, but I also may have a wire in the advancing mechanism that's a little bit sheared, and at certain advance points it doesn't make full contact. I'll take a look at that when I'm in there. On the test drive, the brakes functioned fabulously. Everything's working good there. The motor just pulls like a freight train. It's very, very strong, very nice shape there. This is gonna be a super, super nice bike. If I can get this timing issue sorted out, it's gonna be just spot on. One of the things I like about this new handlebar is it gives me a little bit of lean into the bars. They're wide, and so I have plenty of leverage on the front wheel. Everything just fits nicely. It's not too much of a lean, it's not too much of a reach for me, and I really like this seating position on this bike now, especially compared to the bars where they were sitting kind of upright in my lap before. You know, now this is a much more natural, long distance, comfortable seating position. Another thing I've done since the last video is to rebuild the carburetors and reinstall them on the bike. I've also replaced all the fuel lines and the fuel filters. But I'll keep you guys informed on the progress, and as soon as this thing is ready to rock, we're gonna do some more comparisons with the other 80s muscle cruisers in the garage. And I'm super stoked about that. I've got some other projects going on right now. I've got a GS1100E project that I'm working on, and I'm going to be updating you soon on some progress there. And I'm also going to be featuring some more of the back-to-back comparisons. We've got an Eliminator in the mix. We've got the GS1100E. I've got the 1978 Kawasaki LTD 1000 in the works as well. And so lots of good content coming up for you guys. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.